Imagine arriving in the Swiss Alps and hearing the echo of engines across a frozen lake. Before you even process what's happening, 3 Bugatti Bolides come sliding into view, carving dramatic lines through snow and ice on the surface of Lake St. Moritz. This was the scene at I.C.E. St. Moritz, an annual winter event that brings together some of the rarest and most valuable cars in the world. For 2 days every year, tens of thousands of enthusiasts gather to watch a mix of static displays and high-speed action unfold on a frozen circuit right in front of them. Bugatti chose this incredible backdrop to showcase its latest hypercar, and the Bolide did not disappoint. This is a track-only machine powered by an 8-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, producing a staggering 1,578 horsepower. Power goes to all 4 wheels through a rapid 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, and while the carbon fiber body keeps weight just under 3,200 pounds, the car is engineered to create massive downforce at speed. On ice, downforce doesn't really come into play, but that didn't stop these cars from gliding, sliding, and drifting across the frozen surface with surprising grace. What made the moment even more special was how the owners approached it. These Bolides weren't just there to be admired, they were driven as intended. The drivers carefully adjusted the power to suit the slick conditions of the lake instead of a dry racetrack. And while that's no easy task with this level of performance, they made it look almost natural. Considering there are only 40 Bolides in existence, each costing well over $12 million before options, seeing even one in motion is rare, let alone 3 being driven this hard. Bugatti presented the entire experience as a celebration of its iconic W16 era. Alongside the Bolides, the brand also unveiled 3 Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse models from the Les Légendes collection, known as Soleil de Nuit, Rembrandt Bugatti, and Mayo Costantini. Set on the ice with skaters moving elegantly around them, the display blurred the line between automotive performance and art, creating a truly unforgettable spectacle.